Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Christian. Today I'm gonna show you what's happening on the Bitcoin price, and guys, it happened exactly as I was waiting for. Yesterday I showed you guys this symmetrical triangle and I told you that this is gonna break under 24 hours, and look what happened. It broke exactly to the area that I was focused on. I told you that I give 70% odds to see this symmetrical triangle to break to the upside, as it broke here at this specific area resistance line, which is the $29,212, and right now Bitcoin is standing at $29,550. So on this video, guys, I'm gonna analyze you what's gonna be the next move, because the most crucial part on this current situation is how we're gonna close these daily candles. So if you would like to know exactly what's my next move for the Bitcoin price, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And also, before we continue, I would like to declare you that I'm not financial advisor. Whatever you're gonna see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of investment. And before also we continue to our analysis, I would like to show you my Patreon channel, my Patreon group, because here, guys, you're gonna have access into buy signals, sell signals, and here I would like to add you that in my buy signals, in the majority of my buy signals, are low-cap gems which I have spent hours of research. These low-cap gems have massive potential to do at least 100x and maximum over 1000x. So you can understand how you actually building wealth through this buy signal. Even at least 1000x coin can make you super wealthy. Okay, and I spent hours to research the themes. This is how I built crazy wealth in the previous bull run. But also, you're gonna have access, guys, to my portfolio, and the most specific thing is that you're gonna have access to my strategies. Okay, and also in this group, in a very few weeks, I'm gonna start live streams only for the VIP soldiers. So I'm gonna start analyzing and educating what I did in the previous bull run and what I'm gonna do on this bull run, and I'm gonna compound my wealth. Okay, but the most important part is the Telegram VIP community, where you're gonna find here people with the same goal, with the same purpose like you, are also multimillionaires included on this group, and also you're gonna have my help where as soon as possible you're gonna ask a question on this group, and if not me, other people of the group gonna answer this question. So you're gonna have a family which everyone is looking to build wealth on this crypto space, and my main goal is, through my knowledge and experience, to make every single one of these people who join this group wealthy. Okay, this is why it's really important to enter, especially before the altcoin season. And let's get back to our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to analyze here. Initially, as I told you yesterday, and as I predicted very correctly, where I believed that we're gonna see breakout on this massive symmetrical triangle, it happened to the upside. And guys, as I showed you yesterday, I'm gonna show that again, that we have technical price target on this symmetrical triangle, which is exactly the area of $31,500. It's approximately here. Okay, so as you can understand, to get there, we will need to break the most significant resistance for the Bitcoin price, which is the $30,500. And someone will say that right now this 4-hour time frame is looking red. It shows weakness, but guys, I believe that the most crucial part on this current chart is gonna play how we're gonna close this daily candle that we have here. Okay, if we're gonna close this daily candle above the $29,350, which, as I showed you yesterday, is a very crucial weekly resistance for the Bitcoin price, this could be super bullish for the weekend. Okay, and right now I'm waiting to see in 3 hours from now how we're gonna close this daily candle, this big pump. If we're gonna see this daily candle to close above this green line, this could be super bullish inside of the week to get up to $30,500 to do a retest to the most significant resistance. And also there is a big probability to break even the $30,500 area and see a historical move, and actually at that point we're gonna perform a higher high where we're gonna get up to 32 within $33,000 area, and then we can find probably a rejection. We're gonna come back for a retest and then another bounce into a higher level, and then you're gonna finally see that we will never ever come under the $30,500 again. Okay, and I have told you this scenario many times before in my previous videos that I believe a lot that the time that we're gonna surpass and stay above this yellow line, we will never ever come back again, because I'm calling this the most significant resistance for the Bitcoin, because previously on the bull run of 2021 it was a very strong support line, and the time that actually we confirm the breakout and we closed lots of daily and weekly candles below that, guys, the bear market began. So exactly with the opposite way, we will need to see a confirmation of the breakout. We're going to close daily and weekly candles above this massive and crucial yellow line, and then obviously we will probably never ever come under that line. And guys, something to mention here, because some people confuse the things. This is not the beginning of the bull run exactly as you have it in your mind. We're gonna see the peak of the bull run after the halving. Okay, we could not see, for example, the peak of the Bitcoin in before the halving. But the difference with the previous bull runs and the previous cycles is that right now, because the current global bad situation that's happening, on Bitcoin price, we saw adoption, because we have the bank crisis, which every bank is going into bankruptcy. People distrust the bank system, distrust the governments, and start trusting the crypto space, this decentralization, which brings the power back to the people. And guys, this is why I switched from super bearish, because even me, when I saw this specific pump here, I sucked. Okay, I wasn't ready to see that huge adoption that happened here. Here we have three banks which went into a collapse. SP 500 was collapsing back then, and Bitcoin decoupled and pumped independently. And this is adoption. This is why I switched neutral after this point, and that's why I told you that we're gonna break the $25,200 when we got back to retest that, and I switched into neutral. And in all these areas you can go and watch all these kind of videos all these days from actually the mid days of a March, that I'm neutral. Okay, I'm neutral, and I'm calling you that I give more odds to see a breakout to the upside rather to the downside, because we're gonna see more banks into a collapse, and if this is gonna compound and more people gonna pulling off the money and investing on Bitcoin, either for investment or either for save the money, we're gonna get higher. So in a very simple way, we're gonna stay on bear market, but with higher numbers. Okay, because I highly believe when we're gonna have the next bull run after halving, we can see, guys, Bitcoin, because the adoption over 300, 400, even $500,000. Okay, this is why I'm super bullish, and this is exactly what I would like to show you guys. Dixie right now, as you can clearly see, is in a very low price, and I highly believe from time to time we're gonna drop under to $100, and this could pump the Bitcoin over $34,000. So also this is a very good sign for the BTC price, and this is actually the video and the things that I would like to share with you today. And do not forget, guys, to check my VIP Soldier Patreon group, because you're gonna miss big gains, and here on this Telegram VIP community we are like family. So highly recommend it, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.